Today, a tragic accident unfolded in the skies over Baramati in Maharashtra, claiming the life of one of India's most prominent political figures, Ajit Pawar. The crash of the small aircraft he was traveling in shocked the nation, but there are still many unanswered questions surrounding the crash. Was it a technical failure, pilot error, or something more? Today, we dive deep into the details of the crash, the aircraft involved, and the potential causes behind this tragic loss. The aircraft at the heart of this devastating incident was a Learjet 45, a sleek twin engine business jet that has been a popular choice for high profile figures and corporate executives for decades. Learjets are known for their performance and luxury, designed to transport passengers quickly and comfortably over long distances. Pawar was traveling to his hometown Baramati in the Learjet. The plane was reportedly on a routine flight from Mumbai to Baramati, a journey that has taken thousands of times by other aircraft. But this flight, tragically, would be his last. The 16-year-old Bombardier Learjet 45, registered as VTSSK, took off from Mumbai at 8:10 a.m. and flew towards Baramati over the Arabian Sea. It tried to land for the first time around 8:30 a.m., but the attempt failed. According to the aircraft operator, VSR Ventures, poor visibility may have been the reason. The pilots then tried to land again at about 8:42 am. Just 3 minutes later, around 8:45 am, the aircraft disappeared from radar. By that time, news of the crash had already started appearing on television channels. The jet crashed in a massive fire near the threshold of runway 11 at Baramati Airport. It is believed that the pilots were struggling to control and stabilize the aircraft movements before it hit the ground. Local authorities reported a disturbing sight, black smoke rising from the crash site. Rescue teams were quick to arrive, but by then it was too late. Pawar and the two pilots were found dead at the scene. So, exactly what went wrong? Investigations are still ongoing, but several key factors might have contributed to the crash. Baramati's runway, although fully functional, but is smaller than major international airports, which can be a challenge for certain aircraft types. Despite the Learjet performance capabilities, landing in such conditions, especially in adverse weather, requires precision. The Learjet was first introduced in early 2000s and has been a workhorse for private aviation. With a cruising speed of nearly 850 km per hour and a range of 3000 km, it is designed for speed and efficiency. The aircraft is generally equipped with advanced avionics and is known for its reliability. However, like all aircraft, it has its own issues, particularly in tricky weather or challenging airport conditions. The fact that the plane overshot the runway raises suspicions about either human error or possibly even mechanical failure. The news of Ajit Pawar's death sent shockwaves throughout Maharashtra and the broader political community. A man who had served in several significant positions within the state government, including as Deputy Chief Minister, is now no more. His political career, marked by both achievements and controversies, came to a sudden end. Now, this crash raises a host of questions about aviation safety, especially regarding the use of private jets for political and business travel. While commercial flights are strictly regulated, private jets are often afforded more leeway with fewer checks and balances. So, was this a case of mechanical failure? A human error in landing? Or could there have been an external factor like poor visibility that played a role? The exact answer remains unknown.